Hi everyone, this is me Ray again. So we're going to be just showing up all of the lights we are going to be using for our interior rendering. In this case, we're going to be using go here to the ray rich, we go to light. We're going to be using an just be ray rich rectangle light. Let's just try to let you know we going to set this light outside the the light. This is going to be our primary light that we're going to be using for our interior rendering. So I won't make any change. I just trying to let you know the light that we're going to be using. This is going to be our primary light, just trying to mimic what the sunlight effects um, works for us. So at the same time, we're going to use the ray ridge. We go to light. We're going to use an IS lighting. Let me just see IS lighting. Let me just take any of this light. So this going to be IS lighting. Go to coordinate. I will set it this to minus 90. Just this is going to be a light for our main lamp that we have in here. This is gonna be our secondary light that we're going to use. The IS lighting, you can just have the sec light. It's gonna be secondary light. It's just, guys, you don't have to make this right now. It's just trying to explain how we're gonna use the light and how many light we're going to be using. As I said, we're gonna have a primary light, a secondary light for the lamp in here. We're gonna have right here another another light. There's gonna be another rectangle light, but it's going to be here just to motor a bit all of the objects we have into the scene as well, and give it some chromatic contrast to our rendering. This is gonna be a light. It's gonna be just a fill light. What we're going to be using for our render. This is gonna be a fill light. It's just all of the areas or all of the lights. Actually we have a primary light. All of the shadows that drops the primary lights that is maybe stay dark and no rendering. We're going to just reduce all of the shadows with a fill light in here. This is a fill light, as I said, and another fill light that we're going to have is one behind this wall, behind the furniture right there behind this wall. We're gonna have another light in there just to give detail to that object that we have behind the wall, give you some reflections to it with these lights. So I said we're going to have a primary light, a secondary light that's go for this lamp, and we're going to have two fill lights to just light up this area, light up the area behind the wall, and give the details of the reflections of all of the objects that we have in here, we have behind the wall. And as well as a material lighting, we're going to have a plane in here, and we're going to use this one like pretty much close to the wall in there, just to give it chromatic contrast right there for our just a lighting coming out from the roof and drop some shadows into the wall and give details to all of the wavy motors we have in there and all of the frames. So this is going to be just a sort of a field light, but we're gonna light this with a material. The field light as well. This lighting is gonna be just a white color. We're gonna have this one of a lamp. This is going to be the orange lighting. This one that you see in here, this is the first field light that we're going to have. This is going to be a cyan color, and this one is going to be a white color, and this is going to be an orange color as lighting. So this is all of the lightings that we're going to be using for our interior rendering. In this position, as you can see, this is how we're going to use it to not only to lighten our interior rendering, it is as well for model our object to bring out so much details of every single object into the scene. So this is pretty much guide. I just want you like just practice this, set your light to the places it goes, just to see how we're going to work at the end. So this is not how it's going to be the settings. We're not working with the settings of the lights at this time. Just trying to let you know how to set it, or actually all of the places that we're going to have our lights and how they're going to be. Primary light, this is the most powerful light. The secondary light, this is going to be softer light, maybe to 100 or 50, 50% of our light. Um, this one, as a radiant power, is gonna have like maybe 50 or 100, less than that. I don't know, but it's not gonna be like way too hard because this is the primary light. This is, as I said, the most powerful into the scene. The rest of it, it has to be softer than the primary light. So just practice this, guys, and see you in the next video.